probably won't let color be too colored saran wrap. Isn't that cool? I don't know how dark it'll make it. How purple does that make it? Give the room a purple look. Guess if you had white walls, it would make a difference. I don't know. It's a thought. Pretty light, huh? Pretty dark. I won't put in purple. Ooh. Actually, kind of gives it a lighter look to it. Uh-huh. Maybe. Maybe. Really can't tell in the video. But in the room, it does give it a blue look. It's a thought. May have to think about that at another time. So, anyway, there we go. I'm gonna put it under the bed, and this will be a following video. So, what I did is I took that transmitter and I fixed it to the top of the headboard and just double taped. And I took the light, and for the moment, just so I could try it out, I stuck it straight underneath the... let's see if I can get the flash going. Okay. So what I did is I put the flash, put it right underneath the middle of the bed for the moment, and just to see what would happen. I kind of tried it in different positions under there, and I found this was probably going to be the best. So, by having it right at the headboard, you can turn it off at any time. And as you can see, there it is, right under the middle of the bed. And off. As you can see, it glows pretty good. Now I've got that blue saran wrap over the top of it, so it's giving it that nice little blue glow. And once it's off, now I can turn the flash off on this, and as you can see, it gives a nice enough glow. You can see where you're walking, and of course, as your eyes get adjusted to it, it's pretty bright. And that's just one. My thought is they're only $13. So my thought is I'm going to get a second one, and then they have the double tape, and I'm just going to fix it to this having two frames, because two doubles for a king size bed. I'm just going to asphyxiate it right up here by the legs and have them facing back. With that said, having two of them, you're going to get, of course, it's going to be brighter, but you're also going to get two transmitters. So one can be asphyxiated where it is right now, and then another one can be asphyxiated right underneath your main light. So you don't have to come back over here. Just click it, and then your lights are on underneath your bed, and you'll have plenty of light to move around. In this case, we got the second one here. So have that on until you decide to go to bed. Turn that off, and then you're set to go. So we'll see how that is. I'm gonna do another continuation. Add a second one under here. There's enough. There's some glow under there. And it definitely, once it gets dark, once your eyes get accustomed to the light, it's definitely bright enough. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next. Subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next Around the House. Oh, let's turn it off. No, I turned it on. How long batteries are gonna last?